I just love those annuals that really help transition our spring color all the way into our fall color that will soon be approaching. Now today I want to show you this Luscious Citron Lantana, and a yellow lantana is nothing new to the market, but what I really love about this is it's more of a butter yellow versus the bright gold yellow that you often see on lantana, which makes it a nice complement to such a variety of colors, whether it's that bright spring color that you want to complement it with, or the softer oranges and reds as we transition into the autumn time. Lantana is a great addition to the garden because it allows that consistency through those seasons. Now, of course, we know that lantana is a nice durable plant, and you guys know that I often like to walk through our trial gardens here at the Botanic Garden because a lot of times later in the season you can really start to see which annuals are proving themselves after a tough season. And of course, we've been in a drought, and so there are plants that are definitely showing some stress, but this lantana, it will stop you in your tracks as you're walking through the trials, because you can see here it is a showstopper. It's not proving to have any trouble with our drought conditions or the heat of this summer so far. So this Luscious Citron Lantana is a nice addition to the garden. Of course, it continues to provide these flowers, numerous flowers throughout the season without any deadheading, and maintains a nice 2-foot height without any pruning or anything else. So a very low maintenance, drought tolerant annual to add into your garden. The other thing to keep in mind, while we love the flowers visually to be able to see them in our garden, what's nice about this, and we often think about it in the springtime, is providing nectar for our pollinators. But it's just as important to have those nectar sources available for our pollinators in the fall, as a lot of them will be migrating through. So not only do we appreciate those flowers, but the pollinators do as well. Luscious Citron Lantana is a nice annual to add into your landscape to help carry your garden from the spring all the way into fall.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.